Hey everyone, the Robot Fighters here, and I'm going to put this video just a little quickly because I want you to guys tell me in the comments what was the very first toy you've heard this sound. Well, the first time I heard it was at a Puerto Rican store, and I was messing around with a toy that played it. But tell me in the comments what was your very first time hearing this noise. Here's the sound. I'm gonna loop it.
Record button. Keyboard sustain on octave. Record right loop hand selected. Loop button. Loop.
Okay.
Selected. Loop. Keyboard.
I'm gonna loop it again.
Keyboard system octave. Record right select reverse. Button details. Reverse selected. Loop button. Loop.
That's a loop of the startup when flipping on the switch. So yeah, I'm gonna loop it again, but this time it's gonna play 3 times like a loop. Alright, so yeah. And that's it.